So it's going well. I'm able to sit here on my little board I made this morning comfortably because I rounded it off some. And I propped one in there, and now I'm able to set my slate there, and then every once in a while I go down a couple notches and set them over there. But you can see we're up in the air here pretty good. And sad to say, this tree is probably coming down really soon. You have to see it come down. It's going to break my heart, but just can't take a chance of that big one coming this way. So anyways, I can now repair this one right here. So one of these pieces of slate right here, one of these nice ones, I'm going to take this off and replace that. So one of the things I should mention is when you're hooking these nails, sometimes it's a little difficult. Sometimes you have to pound up in, move it over, and then get it hooked. And you know which one it is because you can go like this. You can see it's right in line with, it should be right in here. And that's where it is. So the other thing is, if the nail breaks off, which the aluminum ones don't, they kind of bend and pull out. But the double dipped galvanized metal nails that this roof was put on with, which are great nails, by the way, they're great, but they can break, and then you get a nail left in there. So I always go like this and try to feel if there's anything and clean it out, because I need my aluminum. Let's just rehook this one right there. Okay, we got it right there, so I can leave that. So we want that aluminum to go right up 4 inches in. Now, 4 inches, because that's about where that nail is. So we need to go up in. So what I put one side in, pull it up, put the other side in, and then bring it down. So I get that full 4-inch overlap. Originally I was going to put another row on here, but I don't see a need to now because I can use my slate ladder this way. Good and wide support. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's get a few more off this side, turn around and do the other side, and we're really getting up into here. I mean, look at that. We're within 12 feet of the top there, which I love. Someday we're going to be figuring out how we're going to get to all that, which I can't wait to do. But that's going to take some construction here. We're going to have to, basically, we're going to have to build a web, as far as I can tell. Okay, let's get back to work.